iPhone metering is one of the major highlights of macOS 15 and iOS 18. What makes it so handy is the ability to let you access and use your iPhone right on your Mac. From time to time, you need to force kill the apps running in the background so that they don't eat up unnecessary battery. Besides, force killing also comes in handy in fixing a freezing or unresponsive app. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first up, we have to press the command plus 2 keys at once to bring up the app switcher. Alternatively, you have to click on the view menu at the top and then choose the app switcher option in the menu. And once you have got access to the app switcher, you have to swipe left or right to find the app that you want to force quit, and then you have to drag it all the way up to kill it, and then you have to repeat the same steps to kill all the apps that you don't want to run in the background. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily force quit iPhone apps in the iPhone metering on your Mac. Now that you have discovered this neat feature, make the most of it to get rid of useless apps so that they don't keep running in the background unnecessarily. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and happy. Bye bye.